Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a minimal intro for free in Adobe After Effects. So the first thing you want to do is go over to a website called Mixkit.co, and here you can get free assets for your next video project. So what you want to do is go over to templates and select After Effects. So click on After Effects and go into titles. So all you have to do is just scroll down and find one that really suits the vibe of your channel. But for today, I'll just focus on this revealing company title, which is a clean border animation with a heading reveal and a small tagline. Is download that template and extract the file. So all you have to do is download the template and extract the file. Alright, so let's jump into After Effects, and here I've already created a new composition. So all you really have to do is just create your composition and bring in the title. So all you have to do is double tap right here and select wherever your title is. So after you of course downloaded and extracted the file, you have a folder where it's downloaded, and all you have to do is just look for the Adobe After Effects file, select it, and it automatically imports into the program. Alright, so now what we want to do is drag it down to the composition to basically start on the composition, and here you can see we have everything loaded. So let's see how a preview of it looks. Wow, that looks good. So what we'll do is basically change the font as well as the overall text within the animation. So what we want to do is go over to the text layer. But if you do want to change the color or the speed of anything else, then you can go into the others and basically play around with the settings. But for today, we'll just focus on the text. So for me, I've already downloaded a few fonts which I try to use within most of my videos or in different graphic design projects or whatnot. So I'll use one of those fonts for this video. So double click on that, and I'll just name this minimalistic, and for the tagline we'll name it everything minimal. So now we'll change the overall font of the text. So we'll go over here into basically the effects panel, and we're under character at the moment, and you can just select the font that you want. So this is one that I downloaded from a website called thefonts.com, where you can basically get fonts for free, and they have different categories where you can select and download fonts to use in your videos. Okay, so after we're finished, what we're going to do now is actually control the size of the text. Just make it just a bit small, just a tad smaller. So as for this, just gonna make it a tad smaller. There we go. Go over back into our composition, and this is what we are working with at the moment. So you can decide to change the color of everything later on, but for now, in my opinion, this looks good. So what we'll do now is just export and go to render queue, have your settings intact, of course change the name of your composition, and just hit render. And based on what you do in the edits, the render will be longer or shorter, so I recommend to do as little as possible in the edit so you have a shorter render time. So the render is finally finished, and this is what the final product looks like.